Legs to knees apart. And then bend down. Okay, now open your palm. Your watch, if you're wearing one, should be facing down. Bounce the ball on the paddle with your arm extended. So not like this, not like that, just extended in front of you. Okay? Like this. Okay, now, try to reach 40. 40. 40 ka, bounce ka. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, until 40. Alright?
Nidagan na. Sa President. Kaya ra? Kaya sila po. Nice, Yana. Good. Nice, nice.
Oh, masarap, masarap.
All right. Silab. Ayaw dagan ha.
It's up to you. The goal for you is to protect your ball. Now there's two of us. Paige and I are going to go around and try to steal your ball. Your goal is to control it while bouncing it. So for example, try to get the ball, right? Moving around and control. Okay, so we're going to go around and you need to protect your ball. Ready?
Okay, this is a pickleball training for the first time. Oy, flip. La. Grant. Good. Yeah. Galing na